Hey guys, if you need a best motorcycle accidental light, then open your Google Chrome and search best motorcycle accidental light and press the enter button. And there are all websites and there are all best lights in the USA. Motorcycle accidental light, how to find the best motorcycle accidental light, which is the best motorcycle. But there are all best, but we are click the first. After click on they are small waiting because our internet is too slow, guys, hurry up. This website can't open, guys. We open an other website, click on second website. I think this website can be opened. Oh yes, Meonlila truck accident. If you need truck accident light, then click on. If you need personal injury light, then click on about. If you find about results, resources, areas reserved served, contact. Guys, if you want to call her, then there are number, check. Guys, get this is best thing, get a free consultation. Wow, nice. If you think, yeah, they are contact us, then put your name, phone number, email address, city, state, best time to contact you, and something about your case. Wrongful death, 32 million, truck accident, 26 million, car accident, and dent, 70.5 million, product liability, 12 million, truck accident, 9 million, truck accident, 8 million, truck accident, 8 million, auto accident, 7.5 million, garbage truck accident, 6.9 million, and traumatic brain injury, 6.5 million, medical malpractice, $5 million, bus accident, $5 million.